Laban?
Gilas ka eh.
Oo nga po.
Laban, gilas, puso! Meron ka bang nakukutuban sa iyong puso?
Meron eh.
Ano?
Baka. Baka nga, baka eh. Baka ito yung baka.
Right now, you have 250,000 pesos.
I know, bossing, kaya nga medyo it's hard to let go knowing this. I really want the 1 million. May bossing, laban tayo.
Laban, gilas, puso!
Puso, laban!
Okay, so ibig sabihin, gusto mo nang gamitin yung double dip.
Opo.
Paalala ko lang sa'yo, RG, you decide on using the double dip, you cannot walk away anymore from this question. Alright? You have to finish this question, right or wrong. Understand?
Opo.
So, tanungin kita ulit. Gusto mo nang gamitin ang iyong double dip?
Sige, bossing. Double dip tayo.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. What's your answer?
Definitely baka.
Ito yung unang mo sagot.
Yes po.
So that's your final answer.
That is my final answer. Baka.
Bagay, kung malito, meron ko pa isang chance.
Kabag.
Baka is correct!